Come on, man, you gotta talk to me. Negative on that, Briggs.
Thanks. Let me know if Ollie needs anything. Apart from some cosmetic damage, it looks like the plane is fine.
It's good to hear. Charlie.
What?
Any update on that hijacked ship we're after?
I'm still working on it.
They named the attack American Fuel. A loaded tanker would make one hell of a weapon.
What the hell just happened? Don't look at me.
Grim?
The SMI isn't responding.
I'm locked out.
Charlie?
Trying a workaround.
Briggs, you got anything?
Nothing. All I got is lighting and internal comms.
This is the flight deck. We're losing engine power.
How long can we glide?
We're talking minutes. Navigation systems are down. We have only manual flight controls. We're gonna check the rear panel.
I can't get us up and running that fast. I don't even know how they got control of the plane. Talk to me, buddy, damn it!
Flight deck, what's going on?
This is the co-pilot. We need a medic.
What's wrong?
The captain cracked his head when the plane dropped. It's bad. He's unconscious. Repeat, the pilot is down.
Is the plane under control?
Shit. All the engines are dead. Trying to restart. I'm locked out of the navigation controls.
Can you fly?
Yes! I mean, no. I can try to keep it together manually, keep her in a glide, but I need another pilot. It takes two people to properly work the controls.
Briggs, check on the pilot.
Where are you going?
To get Coben.
Try and get the backups online.
Try and remote access again.
Pull the hard drives from the SMI and be ready to run. Come on, Charlie. We need a workaround and we need it now.
Hey, let me guess. We're totally fucked and I'm the only one who can unfuck us, right? Huh?
Pilot's unconscious.
Shit! What happened to the co-pilot?
He's flying manually.
I get it, it's a two-man job. Dump the power, kill the backup generator, reboot the system. Okay, I gotta get to the flight deck. Yeah, let me out of here, Fisher. Fisher, let me out of here.
Take care of the power.
Hey, dump some cargo while you're down there. It'll buy us some time.
Briggs, head to the back of the plane. We need to lose cargo fast.
On my way.
Leaving a message on the flight recorder in case we don't make it. This is Anna Grimm's daughter, Chief Operations Officer aboard Aerial Command Center Paladin. If you're listening to this message,
Sam,
please...
I've got the cargo bay door open.
Our plane has been destroyed while attempting to stop the terrorist hijacking of the ship. Suspect that our plane has been attacked by the enemy.
We need to lose weight! Dump the chopper!
Guys, we're about to hit some rough air. You better strap in.
Not an option!
Shit! Briggs, get me late on that.
Let's shoot it free. You think you can hit it from up there?
I guess we'll find out.
Almost there, Sam. Just a little further. Sam, drop down the crane. You should be able to get your eyes on it. You in position? I've got the shot. Hang on.
SMI.
Access hatch to the electrical bay is there.
I can't do shit with this, Sam.
Kobe, generator's offline.
All right, good. Now hang on. We need to take her into a seat dock. Get your ass to the cockpit. I need your help with startup.
On my way.
Sam, hurry! Sam, we're losing altitude fast.
What the hell is taking you so long?
Briggs, check on the pilot.
Where are you going?
To get Coben.
Try and get the backups online.
Driver won't access again.
Pull the hard drives from the SMI and be ready to light them. Come on, Charlie.
Hey, let me guess. We're totally fucked and I'm the only one who can unfuck us, right? Huh?
Pilot's unconscious.
Shit! What happened to the co-pilot?
He's flying it manually.
I get it, it's a two-man job. Dump the power, kill the backup generator, reboot the system. Okay, I gotta get to the flight deck. Let me out of here, Fisher. Fisher, let me out of here.
I'll take care of the power.
Hey, dump some cargo while you're down there. It'll buy us some time.
Briggs, head to the back of the plane. We need to lose cargo fast.
On my way.
I'm leaving a message on the flight recorder in case we don't make it. This is
Sam, I've got the cargo bay door open.
Officer aboard Aerial Command Center Paladin. If you're listening to this message, please contact your local branch of the
We need to lose weight. Dump the chopper.
Guys, we're about to hit some rough air. You better strap in.
Not an option.
Shit! Briggs, get me late on that. Let's shoot it free.
You think you can hit it from up there?
I guess we'll find out.
Almost there, Sam. Just a little further. Sam, drop down the crane. You should be able to get your eyes on it. You in position? I've got the shot. Hang on. Need the other one.
Okay, Fisher, here's the deal. You gotta cut the power so we can reboot the system. You gotta do it now. The reboot console is under the subfloor, below the SMI.
access hatch to the electrical bay is there.
I can't do shit with this, Sam.
Kobe, generator's offline.
All right, good. Now hang on. We need to take her into a deep dive. Get your ass to the cockpit. I need your help with startup.
On my way.
Sam, hurry! Sam, we're losing altitude fast.
What the hell is taking you so long? Fisher, get up here or we are all going to die.
What's the problem? He wants to reinstall the whole system mid-flight.
Yeah, I'd be done by now if this jackass would get out of my way.
He'll crash the plane.
What the fuck do you think is about to happen?
Let him at it. It's active. All right.
Okay, Fisher, you gotta pump fuel back into the engines, all right? If I get this thing back online, we're gonna have seconds to fire it up.
Manual fuel pump controls are in there.
All right, once I reboot, you gotta pull back hard, okay? We're gonna get one shot at this. Three, two, one, now! Oh, come on, come on. Come on. Come on, you bitch! Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up!
What's our status?
Main systems are back online. She's flying, but we're flying blind.
Grim, internal comms work, but the other communication systems are still offline. Hey guys, what the hell just happened?
We were hit with a Stuxnet-style virus.
I rebooted the SMI from backup, did a full system scrub, we're clean.
How did the engineers get a virus on my plane?
We'll do the forensics and get you some answers. Oh shit.
What now?
It's a communique we received right before the plane went dark. The White House activated continuity of government.
What does that mean?
It means all the top military and government brass were sent to protected bunkers to make sure they survive. Last time that happened was 9/11.
Oh my god. Do you think that last blacklist attack?
Don't know that yet, Charlie. Just focus on restoring communications.
So this thing looks like modified Stuxnet.
I want you to keep cycling the frequencies and don't stop until you get through, okay?
Briggs, any word on that hijacked ship?
Outside communications are almost entirely blacked out. Can't sync up with anyone yet, but the crew's working on it.
Charlie.
The virus. I found the source. It was executed when we gutted the tablets Sam picked up in Mirawa.
That's impossible. The system
I
is...
streamlined a couple of security protocols. I was just trying to boost operating speed.
You let it infect the system? That's how they found us in Mexico.
No, it wasn't. When we were on the ground, I contacted a former associate with the cartel. The engineers have a bounty out on us. He must have rolled on me for a cut.
Charlie, why didn't you just... The American fuel attack was successful.
That must be why they activated continuity of government.
What was the engineer's target?
Sorry, Sam. Still getting flooded with intel. Got it. Looks like Louisiana, Sabine Pass. A natural gas tanker.
Oh my god.
Sabine Pass.
That's the biggest fuel facility on the Gulf Coast.
The engineers hit the facility with a computer virus right before the tanker hit. Security systems, fail-safes, everything was disabled.
The virus operates exactly like the one they hit our plane with.
Oh shit. Every fuel facility on the coast has been infected.
That fire spreads.
They'll all go up one by one.
A burning refinery is not the place to go subtle.
Approaching jump run, Sam.
Ready?
Pilot is dropping to half an angel. Reducing speed.
And 3, 2, 1, go, 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 go!
Grim, Sam's away.
Copy. Here we go.
Grim, I'm on the ground, headed towards a down chopper.
Sam, the SEALs look like they're taking heavy ground fire.
Engineers?
Affirmative. They're pinned down. Not sure how long they'll hold out.
Friendly! Blade! Chaos! How do you know the countersign?
If you're not gonna pull the trigger, stop pointing that thing at me. I'm here to help.
Who said we needed help? Where did you come from?
Off the books. They task you to secure the facility?
They sent us to stop the fuel tanker, but they sent us too late. We got here after the crash, then tailed the squad of foot mobiles. We almost got their leader, and then everything went to shit.
Grim, I got a high-value engineer target on the ground. Give me a location.
Copy.
It'll be okay. Lock it down! Lock it down! Hang in there.
Keep moving toward the main facility, Sam. Keep moving toward the main facility, Sam. We're hearing small arms fire in the terminal, Sam. Suggest you move that way.
It'll be okay.
I see you.
Keep moving toward the main facility, Sam.
Time isn't on your side. You have to push through.
Hang in there.
Cover the medic!
Is something wrong? You have to move.
Sam, hostiles are targeting the first responders.
On my way. Grim, find me the lead engineer.
As fast as I can.
Hostiles up ahead.
Sam, that section of the plant is empty. Use it to your advantage.
I'm seeing a lot of hostiles up ahead.
Sam, that section of the plant is a maze. Use it to your advantage.
I always do.
Anything moving down there? Let me clarify.
I'm seeing a lot of hostiles up ahead.
Sam, that section of the plant is a maze. Use it to your advantage.
I always do.
Anything moving down there? Got a man down. Shoot that one.
Waiting for a medevac. Just move.